Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the 270 SDX, which is one of the Sea Ray models. This boat is a Sea Ray blue in color, although I know it's hard to see. It is blue in color. This SDX 270 is equipped with a 6.2 liter 350 horsepower engine. On the rear swim deck you can see the SeaDek flooring, which is a nice non-slip grip. There's a drop-down swim platform so you can sit in the water and enjoy a beverage. There's a nice bench here in the back when you're sitting at the sandbar. The mocha interior. As you can see, this is a very large area. Nice little wraparound seating in the back there. And the bench here that we're looking at in the passenger seat can flip the other way, so you can sit forward or rear facing. And there's a flip up bolster if you'd like to see over the windshield here. In this compartment we have a pump out head. It's a nice, pretty decent big area for kids and adults. And drink holders up top. Just see the flooring here is infinity woven flooring, snap out flooring. It's very nice. If it gets wet, it dries quickly. It's not like old carpet that used to take hours and hours to dry. Here in the bow you have nice armrests and seats along with speakers. Full wraparound, kind of like a sun deck model. There's also a table connection right here as well, and there's dedicated storage for the table. And once again, more flooring. It's nice that it's in multiple pieces. That way if you do have to snap it out, it's easy to snap back in. Here at the helm, again, a flip backrest, so you can sit facing whichever direction you'd like. If you're just cruising and relaxing, you can sit the normal way and drive, or if you're out anchored, you can sit aft facing. Nice bench here behind the helm. Now at the helm, we have all the standard features that you need. Rockford Fosgate stereo. It's all Bluetooth capable. Then you have your tacks, as well as this model is equipped with active trim, which helps trim the boat depending on how many people are in the boat and all that great stuff. You don't have to worry about trimming it at all. The tower is a nice tower, nice sporty look with the bimini on top. The bimini is easy to fold in or to keep opened at all times. Pause. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this 270 SDX or one of the other hundreds of boats we have here in our showroom floor today. Thanks.